Nikah is a binding contract and a fundamental element of an Islamic marriage. It describes the rights and obligations agreed upon by both parties, bride and groom. Getting Urdu Nikah marriage contract, the related issues are uphill tasks for expatriate Pakistanis. They are living in countries around the world like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, UAE, and Saudi Arabia, etc. Those who are unable to visit or travel to Pakistan for this purpose can apply online to get their marriage. ZahidLaw Associates provide legal help for such issues. We serve our clients worldwide, including the main cities of Pakistan like Karachi, Islamabad, and Lahore. According to the Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961, it is obligatory that the nikah should be registered in the Union Council, where the original copy of nikah always retained as a public record. Nikah form has 4 copies duly filled by Nikah Registrar, Nikah Karwan. They are signed by all concerned individuals. It is legal evidence of marriage under the law. In case you have misplaced your nikah or you need to get a duplicate copy of nikah, you can get it from the concerned Union Council office. For immigration requirements, the nikah must be registered. We offer various packages for online nikah and its related services like attestation of nikah. It will be admissible around the world. For online nikah registration, please submit marriage form or contact for a price quote. For free consultation, please contact +92 300 232 9223 or WhatsApp, or submit marriage form available at our www.zahidlaw.com.